Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to merge two photos in Canva. It is very easy. You can just use a single trick which could solve your problem. So very first thing you need to do is to just go to upload section here, click on upload files, choose the photos which you want to merge. So this is the first and this is the second photo in my case. Once you select them, just click on open and your photos will be uploaded here. Once the uploading is done, just drag the first photo. Similarly, we're gonna drag the second photo as well. Once you drag the photo, select the first photo and click on apps. In the search bar we need to type easy reflection. Choose the first application because this is the one which we need to use. Click on open and click on create reflection here. Now if you look at it closely, you will see that the side is different. Like even if I select left or right, the building is on the right side here, but it is on the left side on the main image. Now in order to solve that, we have the solution, but just for now we'll just choose the direction where we want to add the effect. We want to add the effect on this right side, but it is on the left, so we'll select left and just increase the offset or decrease the offset according to your need. I'll just set the opacity on 100 and offset gonna be something like near 75 or 70. You can just choose that according to you. Once you do that, just click on add to design. The new photo will be added here. Now we need to select the previous photo and just click on delete. Select the new photo and just click on flip and just click on flip horizontal here. And yeah, you can see we have solved the problem. Now we need to select the second photo. Again we're gonna follow the same process, but for now we'll just click on go back, click on create reflection. Now here we need to do the same thing. Like here you can see closely the person is looking at the left, but here if you see that the person is looking at the right because this is the reflection. Now we want to add the reflection effect on the left side of the person, but the side is going to be different. Like if it is here left, then it will be right here. I'll just select right, increase the opacity to 100 and offset going to be something like I would choose 51 and just click on add to design. Similarly, we'll select the previous photo, click on delete, choose the new photo, click on flip and just click on flip horizontal. Now we'll just resize them to make them more appealing. And yeah guys, as you can see, we have successfully merged both of our photos by using a simple trick. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.